Hello, everyone. Have you ever marveled at a brilliant piece of art, a creative film, an innovative product, or a captivating story and wondered, how do they come up with such creative ideas? What if you could tap into that same wellspring of creativity within yourself? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the nature of creativity and its importance, techniques to enhance your creative thinking, how to overcome common barriers to creativity. Let's discuss the nature of creativity and its importance. Creativity is the ability to generate new and original ideas and expressions. It is not limited to the arts. Creativity is crucial in all fields, from science and technology to business and education. Example: think of how Steve Jobs revolutionized the tech industry with his creative vision for Apple, blending technology and design in innovative ways. Let's discuss techniques to enhance your creative thinking. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is a powerful technique for generating a wide range of ideas. It involves free-flowing, spontaneous thinking without immediate judgment or criticism. Example: when faced with a problem, gather a group of people and encourage everyone to share as many ideas as possible, no matter how outlandish. The goal is to create a pool of ideas that can be refined later. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual tool that helps organize thoughts and ideas around a central concept. It encourages free association and exploration of related ideas. Story. Author Tony Buzan popularized mind mapping as a method to improve creativity and productivity, helping individuals and organizations to think more dynamically. Divergent thinking. Divergent thinking involves exploring multiple possible solutions and approaches to a problem. It contrasts with convergent thinking, which focuses on finding a single correct solution. Analogy: imagine your mind as a tree, with divergent thinking allowing branches to spread in many directions, fostering a variety of ideas and possibilities. Embracing curiosity. Cultivating a curious mindset can lead to greater creativity. Ask questions, seek new experiences, and be open to learning from different fields and perspectives. Example: Leonardo da Vinci, a polymath, exemplified curiosity by studying anatomy, engineering, art, and more, leading to his groundbreaking contributions in various domains. Let's discuss how to overcome common barriers to creativity. Perfectionism. Perfectionism can inhibit creativity by setting unrealistic standards and causing you to overthink and second-guess your ideas. Allowing yourself to create imperfectly can lead to greater innovation. Example: writer and Lamott advises giving yourself permission to write shitty first drafts, recognizing that initial efforts don't have to be perfect and can always be refined later. Lack of time. Busy schedules can make it challenging to find time for creative pursuits. Prioritizing creativity and setting aside dedicated time can help you tap into your creative potential. Analogy: think of creativity as a muscle that needs regular exercise. Even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements over time. Environmental factors. Your surroundings can impact your creativity. Creating a conducive environment, free from distractions and filled with inspiring elements, can enhance your creative thinking. Example: artists and writers often design their workspaces to reflect their personal tastes and inspirations, fostering a space where creativity can thrive. Closing thoughts. Unlocking your creative potential requires understanding the nature of creativity. Apply techniques such as brainstorming, mind mapping, and divergent thinking. Overcome barriers like fear of failure, perfectionism, and lack of time. Creativity is a skill that can be developed and nurtured. Embrace curiosity, take risks, and give yourself the freedom to explore and innovate. Assignment. This week, try a brainstorming session on a problem or project you're working on. Use mind mapping to organize your ideas, and don't be afraid to explore unconventional solutions. Reflect on how these techniques influence your creative process. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend The Creative Habit, Learn It and Use It for Life by Twyla Tharp. This book provides practical advice and exercises to help you cultivate and sustain your creativity.